Good morning all of you. In last video we will discuss yoga for concentration. We will discuss two yoga, Sukhasana and Tadasana. Today we discuss two more yoga, Padmasana and Sasankasana.
Padmasana. Procedure of Padmasana. This is a crossed-legged sitting asana and it must be done on an empty stomach. Sit on a flat surface with your spine erect and your legs stretch out. Bend the right knees and use your hands to place it on your left thighs. Your sole must point upward. Keep the other legs also in same style. Now place your hand on the knees. Keep your head straight and the spine erect while doing this asana. Take a deep and long breath. Hold the position for a few minutes and then release. Benefit of this asana, and first benefit is it helps in maintaining a good and confident posture. Next one is it helps in increasing awareness and concentration, and next one is it applies pressure to the lower spine which provides relaxation to the nerve system, and next one is it helps in keeping the joints flexible. Contradictions of this asana. This asana should be avoided if you have weak or injured knees. Don't practice this asana in case of ankle injury. Also don't practice this pose more than few minutes. And next asana is Sasankasana. Procedure of Sasankasana. Sasankasana is also known as rabbit pose. Sit in Vajrasana with hands on the thighs. Keep the eyes closed and relax the whole body. Raise your arms above your head and inhale. Elbow must be straight. Exhale and slowly move your upper body in the forward direction. Keep the arms slightly bent and rest the hands. Forehead and elbow on the mat. Arm must be in front of the knees. Retain the position till you are comfortable. Practice it for 1 to 5 minutes. Now exhale and get back to the straight position. Repeat the procedure multiple times. Benefits of this asana. It improves blood supply to the head and also improves the eye and all brain functions. And next one is it helps to relieve fatigue and promotes concentration. Next one is it helps in reducing anxiety and depression. Next, the whole spine and muscles of the back relax in this position and the breath deepens into the back of lungs. And next one is contradictions of this asanas. Contradictions. This asana should be avoided when an individual is having high blood pressure, glaucoma or dizziness. Picture of these asanas are picture of Padmasana. Next, picture of Sasankasana.